How to Library at Bailey Library. Basic library catalog searches and discovery searches. This is Discovery's main screen, or front page if you will. On this page, you can perform a basic search of the library catalog or the expanded Discovery feature. To perform a search, first enter a keyword or search term or phrase in the Start Your Search Here box. Then, use the drop-down menu to the right of the box to select the Discovery search scope or the Library Catalog search scope. A search scope defines the collection of records that the Discovery search is going to search through for your keywords or search terms. The Discovery search scope searches all the items in the library catalog as well as those provided digitally by the library. This search scope will also search within the indexed items provided by those databases that the library provides. For example, if you were to search for a journal, then if that journal has been indexed and the contents within that journal described by the databases or the vendors that Bailey Library subscribes to, then Discovery Search will also search within those records for each individual article, book chapter, and any other information provided. The Library Catalog search scope searches all those items provided in Bailey Library's old library catalog. The library catalog includes all items physically housed within the library, as well as those items that Bailey Library subscribes to digitally. These include the titles of books, journals, and databases. However, the search will not search through the contents of these books, journals, and databases unless they have been described by the cataloging staff of Bailey Library. A keyword or search term is a word or word that describes what it is you are looking for. Items in both the library catalog and in the databases searched by the Discovery search scope have been cataloged, aka described, based on bibliographic information, such as the title, author, publication, and subject, and additional descriptors, which may include abstracts, chapter listings, summaries, and other information. We can see that we're conducting a search of the library catalog using the keyword knee injuries. Having entered our keyword, selected our search scope, and clicked the magnifying glass, our results appear below. A few notes on what it is we're viewing. First, at the very top left, you can see the number of results that this search has returned. This search is indicating that there are 192 items in the library that have the description of knee injuries. Below, you can see each individual record for an item, including the title, the author, and some other basic information such as the date. You can also see which terms that the Discovery search has used that indicated that this is an item that you may be interested in because it contains your search term. Clicking on a title will take you to the information provided for that item, also known as the record, where you can see most of the available information about the item. Under the View It section, if you're signed in, you can see where the item is available. If it's available digitally, say as an ebook, or if it's available physically within the library, in which case you'll have a call number and a location for where that book can be found in the library. On the right of the screen, you can see your filters. Your filters allow you to tweak the 192 results that you've received based on different criterion within the records. You can see that we could change records by availability, by the type of resource. In this case, we're highlighting that we're only looking for journals, and to the right of each filter, you can see what that will do to your number of results. In this case, if we click journals, we will only have 3 results, because only 3 of these 192 results are journals. Below, we can see our 3 journals. We see knee, which is a journal online. We see knee surgery, sports traumology, and arthroscopy online, and the Asia Pacific Journal of Sports Medicine, Arthroscopy, Rehabilitation, and Technology. Let's try a new search using our search term knee injuries, but instead of searching the library catalog, we'll search Discovery. We can see that this search returned over 220,000 results. The reason for this, again, is that discovery is not just searching for the titles themselves in the library catalog. Discovery is also using the indexed information provided by those databases that Bailey Library subscribes to, which describe the contents of many of the journals and items that are available. In this case, we know that there were 3 journals with knee in them. However, there may be many more journals provided by Bailey Library that have articles or other information that discuss knee injuries. This search through Discovery has found for us all of those journals and all of those articles, books, and other items that have knee injuries somewhere within them. A major reason why we have so many results is because each individual article, including the full text of those articles, is also being searched for the terms knee injuries. Add all this up and you can see why we have so many more results based on the items available in Discovery Search. As before, if you want to review an item, then you can click on the title of that item to see more details about it. You see at the top of each item, above the title, you can see the type of source that it came from. We have a reference entry, a book, and others such as articles, which come directly from journals, magazines, or other publications provided by Bailey Library and the databases that we subscribe to. In this case, we see an article, Traumatic Knee Injury. As before, we can also see, based on the underlines, how Discovery is finding that term knee injury and saying this is an article or record that the searcher may be interested in. A few more notes about this search. Obviously, 225,000 results is way too many results for any individual researcher to go through. Additionally, with a number of results this large, it's very possible that many of these articles have very little to do with your topic, even if, in some way, they mention the term knee or the term injury, or hopefully, like our results at the top of the list, they discuss knee injuries in some way. In future videos, we're going to review some ways to cut down on this number of results. One way is to use the filters to the right of the screen to apply additional criteria. You might only be looking for journal articles or books about knee injuries. You may also only be wanting to review those items that are full text items. Full text essentially means that the item is on demand. It is something that the library subscribes to and can provide you with access to right away. You may also want to try an advanced search, which gives you many more features for refining your search and ensuring that you get relevant results. An excellent way to ensure that you're getting the search results you desire are to use the library faculty to help you. Library faculty are available to help in the first floor research services room at Bailey Library. Our hours for walk-in appointments are 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Thursday and 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Fridays. Note that these hours do change in the summer and winter terms. You may also call the Research Services Desk 724-738-2641 or use the Ask a Librarian feature located on the Bailey Library website at www.sru.edu to ask a question via email. To learn more about using Discovery to conduct basic searches, using filters, or advanced searches, as well as to learn more about keywords and search terms, Boolean operators, and other information crucial to properly conducting library research, refer to our How to Library video series located at sru.libguides.com/videos.